Hey girls, so I recognize that you don't have a laser at your house and the flashlight on your phone is probably not going to work out really well. So I'm going to do the test for our lab with our 4 substances. I'm going to do it in my bathroom. I'm going to turn off the lights so you can see the beam of light. So the first substance I'm going to do is sugar and water, and I'm going to have to turn off the lights for this. But first you're going to want to stir the sample to get the powders up into the water column. And this is going to be important for the other samples especially. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the lights. You're gonna want a solid piece of paper to go behind the glass, and you'll send the beam of light through the mixture. Now you see on that white wall behind the glass that the beam is very focused. There's a prominent dot. That means that the beam is not being scattered, okay? And if you look on top of the glass, you can see the beam of light, and you can see the particles like traveling through the beam of light. So if you want to get above you can see that beam very distinctly in the glass right here, and it's not getting scattered around. And you're going to see the difference with the other samples. So we're going to turn on the light. That was the sugar and water. Let's try the flour and water. So for the flour and water, I'm going to definitely need to stir it up. Get it up into the water column. All right, we're gonna turn off the lights again. And I'm sending that beam through. Oops, let me cover this up. You can see distinctly that it's not going through to the white paper on the other side of the glass. And if you look on top, you can see that it's not going straight through. It's kind of getting stopped right about here, right? So make your observations and conclusions. Let's do the next sample. I'm going to do cornstarch next. This one's it's kind of hard to stir. It's actually how you make oobleck, if you remember from last year. All right, I'm going to turn off the light. This one's cornstarch. We'll send that beam straight through, and we'll get on top of the glass and see that the beam stops right here again. It does not go all the way through. It's not making a mark on this white piece of paper. So make your observations for that. And then the last one is the baking powder. Put this back in here. All right, come closer to this one. This is baking powder. And we send our beam through, and it's not doing a whole lot. Oh, we got a lot of dog stuff. All right, you guys make your observations. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.